Leica, once again you've given me the ambivalent feels. The CL, the company's classic APS-C mirrorless model, which is the alter ego of the modern TL2, it's a Leica through and through. That means the trademark, almost too clean design aesthetic, where an otherwise excellent form randomly takes precedence over function. And the price? Great sharp APS-C photos and decent autofocus speed at great full-frame prices. There are a ton of things I love about the design. It has a tiny but useful status display on top, and rather than front and back dials, it has two side-by-side, and that feels really good to me. To change modes, you press the button on the left dial, which is the primary. The secondary right dial controls contextual functions, and you can reprogram it via simple long presses of the button without ever taking your eye from the viewfinder, which, by the way, is big and bright and shows you the current dial programming. You can customize up to 6 stored profiles as well as import them, and you can manually specify the minimum shutter speed as a reciprocal of the focal length, which is kind of cool, and necessary because not a lot of the Leica lenses have optical stabilization. So why the ambivalence? There's no grip, not even the tiny indentations in models like the M and Q. If you want to shoot single-handed comfortably, you have to pay more. And if you get the thumb grip, which is yet another extra cost option, you lose the hot shoe while you're using it. And take a look, notice anything missing? There are no doors on these dysfunctionally sleek sides. That means no ports for USB charging or connecting, no HDMI out to a monitor or TV, and so on. And the SD slot is inconveniently in the battery compartment like a cheap camera. Plus, while it shoots 4K video, the only control you have is exposure compensation.
I